Hello all, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anu. Today in this video I'm going to explain about common multiple and least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple means LCM, right? Okay, so this is a very important topic for all students. Okay, so how to write common multiples of two numbers and how to write LCM from that. Okay, so before starting our video, if you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's get to the video. So for example, let's take two numbers of 5 and 10. So first I will show you how to find the common multiple of this 5 and 10. So first let's write first 10 multiples of 5. First 10 multiple means the first multiple is 5 into 1, right? That is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into 4 is 20. And 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 6 is 30. 5 into 7 is 35. 5 into 8 is 40. And 5 into 9 is 45, and 5 into 10 is 50, right? So these are the first 10 multiples of 5. Okay, very easy. Just write the multiplication table of 5, right? So next let's write first 5 multiple of 10. Okay, so 1 into 10 equal to 10. 2 into 10 equal to 20. 3 into 10 equal to 30. 4 into 10 equal to 40, then 5 into 10 equal to 50, 6 into 10 equal to 60, 7 into 10 equal to 70, 8 into 10 equal to 80, 9 into 10 equal to 90, 10 into 10 equal to 100. So the basic thing is you need to know the multiplication table. Okay, then only you can find the common multiple and the LCM, even HCF also. Okay, so the basic thing is please by heart the multiplication table. Okay, so these are the first 10 multiples of 10 and first 10 multiples of 5, right? So next let's find the common multiple. Common multiple means the multiple that is present in 5 and 10. So let's check. Okay, so the first one is 10, right? So the first common multiple is 10. Why? Because this 10 is present in 5's multiple and in 10's multiple, right? So this is a common multiple. Similarly, we can see 20 is a common multiple and 30 is a common multiple, 40 is a common multiple and 50 is a common multiple. And what about 5? 5 is not common. 5 is not a common multiple. Why? 5 is present in 5's table only, right? In 10's table you can't see any 5, right? So it's not a common multiple. So these are the common multiples, right? So next, which is the least common multiple? Least common multiple means the smallest common multiple, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the common multiple, and which is the smallest among that? 10, right? So we can say LCM is 10. Got it? So first we found the common multiples and then the least common multiple or the smallest common multiple is the LCM. So here the LCM is 10. Got it? Okay, so let's write one more example. Six and 12. So I will show you how to write the LCM of 6 and 12 by listing the multiples. So first let's write the multiples of 6 starting from 1. 1, 6 are 12. Sorry. 1, 6 are 6, right? Sorry. Okay. And 2, 6 are 12. Okay. And so just look here. We got this 12, right? And our second number is 12, right? So we know that if you write the multiplication table of second number, that is So the first one will be 1 12s are 12, right? So this is the first common multiple, right? 12 is the first common multiple. We can find that in 6 multiplication table and in 12's multiplication table, right? So 12 is the first common multiple and it will be the least common multiple, right? So we can stop here. Very easy. So we can directly write LCM is 12 here. Got it? So LCM is 12 here. Next, I will show you how to write the common multiple of 8 and 40 by listing the common multiple. Okay, sorry, not 8 and 40. Yeah, 8 and 40. Let's write 8 and 40. Okay, then. So let's write the multiples of 8 first. 1 8s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32 and 5 8s are 40. So just look here, we got 40, right? So our second number is 40, right? So if you write the multiplication table of 40, the first one will be 140. 1 into 40 is equal to 40, right? So this will be the first multiple. So the first common multiple is 40 here, right? And it will be the least one, right? Or the smallest common multiple. So let's write here the LCM is 40. Got it? So just list the multiples and find the least common, okay, or the smallest common multiple. That will be your LCM, okay? So in my previous video, you can see how to find the LCM and HCF using prime factorization. That also another method to find LCM and HCF. So this is the very common method for all students, okay? From grade 4 to grade 10, all students can use this method, okay? So please practice more questions, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me, okay? So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So let's see you on next video. Bye-bye.